Hi everyone, today I'm doing my presentation on the 7 native Hawaiian species of hibiscus. Let's see. My target audience is basically anyone who wants to get to know more about plants, botanists, biologists, and basically people in the class that are going to be learning probably a few new facts that they never knew before. I personally grew up in Hawaii my whole life, and I have not known about these facts, and I didn't even know that these were the 7 native Hawaiian species of hibiscus. So I think it'll be a little fun to hear some new things. My project incorporated some artwork into it, so excuse the drawings, I'm not an artist, and I really put a lot of effort into this. I know it may not look like I did, but I really am not a good watercolor painter, and I wanted to see if I could produce something that was pretty nice. And I don't know, I thought I did a pretty good job for someone who's not an artist. So you'll just see along the way how the flowers look, but hopefully they kind of depict what they look like in real life. So let's just jump right into it. The first type of native Hawaiian hibiscus is called Hibiscus arnotianus. Sorry, excuse my pronunciation. Underneath that is the Hawaiian name. This particular hibiscus is found in the Waianae Range and the Ko'olau Range. It is also found on Molokai, but it is considered to be endangered. This particular hibiscus tree can grow into a shrub or a small tree, generally 15 to 20 feet in height. The leaves tend to be oval-shaped with smooth upper surfaces and smooth or slightly toothed edges. Some other common names for this plant would be hauhele, Hawaiian white hibiscus, koki'okea, pamakani, and Oahu white hibiscus. The next hibiscus is Brackenridgei. These are native to forests and shrublands at elevations from 400 to 2,600 feet. It's found on all the main Hawaiian islands except Ni'ihau and Ho'olawe. They are considered to be endangered Hawaiian endemic plants, and unlike all the rest of the hibiscuses you'll hear about today, this one is special because it's considered the official state flower of Hawaii. These tend to grow into small trees up to 30 feet tall. The younger plants tend to have smoother trunks compared to the older plants which have wrinkled appearances. This flower will best bloom during the seasons of spring through early summer, and it does not have a fragrance. The third hibiscus is Clei. These are endangered and endemic to the dry forest in the No Mountains on Kauai and in Kokee region, which is also on Kauai. They tend to grow into small trees and shrubs, typically up to 15 to 30 feet, and the shrubs will grow up to 10 feet. The petals are bright red in color and often curl backwards, giving it a peculiar appearance. Amongst all seven hibiscuses, this is the only one that has curled petals. So if you were to emulate that, you could have an open palm and then close it into a fist, and that kind of gives you an idea of how the petals curl back. Kokio in Hawaiian means hibiscus, and ula means red. So you can see how they came up with the Hawaiian name red hibiscus, or hibiscus red. This hibiscus does not have a fragrance. The next hibiscus is called Fursulatus. These are indigenous to Kauai, Oahu, Maui, and Hawaii Island in lowland wet areas, but was once more widespread than its current population. It can also be found in Florida and South America. These tend to have medium-sized petals and approximately grow to 8 feet tall. They have rough leaves that are slightly lobed, and each flower is large and light purple-pink petals with a dark purple center and a staminal column. This hibiscus does not have a fragrance. The next hibiscus is Kokio. These are rare endemics that are only found in the coastal valleys of northwestern Kauai and nowhere else in the world. These tend to grow into shrubs that are usually 4 to 10 feet tall. It has bright orange to orange-red petals that almost look fluorescent. And yellow coquillos are pretty rare, so you don't often find them. And this hibiscus coquillo does not have a fragrance. The second to last hibiscus, Tiliaceus, grows on the beaches, along coastal waterways, and in other coastal lowland areas where it can form dense thickets. These are native to Melanesia, Micronesia, and parts of Polynesia. So basically, they're found almost all over the Pacific. They can come in different colors, such as cream, yellow, orange, salmon-colored, and red. And they tend to grow to approximately 13 to 33 feet tall. Some facts about this particular hibiscus plant is that the wood is often used to build outriggers of canoes. They can build floats for fish nets and long spears for game activities. The last hibiscus is called Waimeae. These are found in northwestern valleys of Kauai and Waimea Canyon from 800 to 3,900 feet. They are considered to be an endemic Hawaiian plant. They have grayish to white petals and can grow up to approximately 6 to 10 meters tall. The white flowers will tend to fade to pink in the afternoon, and the shrubs will usually stay within the 5 to 8 foot range, giving it a shorter appearance compared to most plants. Another fun fact would be that this flower can be eaten as a laxative, so people would mash them up and that would help with digestive flows. That is the end of my presentation. I really hope that you guys enjoyed learning just a few more facts about some native Hawaiian hibiscuses that you may not have known before. I appreciate you listening and sticking around. Have a nice rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.